To install the Customfly app, it's very easy. First, click the Install button. Next, you'll be prompted to choose one of the available plans. You can select any plan that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, you'll be taken to the subscription approval page. All you need to do is click the Approve button. After the subscription is approved, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Here, a setup wizard will guide you through the installation process. Now that the first step is complete, the next step is to activate the app embed. Click the black Go to Theme Settings button. This will take you to the Shopify App Embed section. Make sure Customfly Designer is enabled, then click Save. The last installation step is to make your products customizable. Click the black Manage Products button. This will take you to the product list inside the app. Once you click the icon, the product designer will open. By default, it already includes image upload and text tools. You can customize these however you'd like. When you're finished, click Save. To confirm everything is working correctly on your storefront, go back to the product list and click the eye icon to view the product in your online store. On the product page, you'll see the Design button. Click it to start customizing the product. You can upload an image, add text, and personalize the design. Once you're done customizing the product, click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. After the checkout process is complete, you'll receive the order in your Shopify admin. To download the generated design files, open the app and go to the Orders section. You'll see a list of all customer orders. You can either click the Download button to download the print-ready file directly, or click View Order to see the complete order details. Inside the Order Details page, you'll find the full design preview, product file, the original image uploaded by the customer, along with other order information. Now, let's look at another option. Go back to the product list and open the Product Designer. By default, the front-end designer opens as a modal pop-up. However, you can change it to Direct Customizer, which embeds the designer directly into your product page. Finally, click View in Store to test it. You'll now see the designer embedded directly on the product page, allowing customers to upload images, add text, and customize the product without opening a pop-up. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@imakecustom.com.